Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I can create tables on the iPhone Notes app. And it is super simple. If you're on just like the Notes app, just open up a blank page and press this plus button. As you can see, there will be a table here. And here is where you can create a table. You can even add a column here. For instance, you want to add 3 columns, you can do that. You can also add in more rows here, add row, add another row, and you can fill these columns, rows in. For instance, A, B, C, and you can also delete the column, for instance, or the row by pressing the 3 dots here and selecting delete row. I think you can also format the row too. For instance, you want a bold one on the text. You can do that. I'm just going to apple, for instance, banana, cantaloupe. Then for this one, aubergine, I don't know how to spell it. Is that how you spell it? I don't know. Broccoli, like carrot, for instance. That's pretty much how you can create tables on iPhone Notes. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!